Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, this is an apartment tour of my new apartment, which I moved to a month ago. And it's, yeah, been a month, so we're all settled in, and I feel like it's finally time to show you. It's hard because I'm very perfectionist tendencies, and I want everything to look perfect. It doesn't look, it's certainly not amazing. It's not super tidy. That's just not how I live my life, but it is clean and cute. So yeah, this is the front door. This is where you come in. Here I have the thing that I had by my door, my old apartment, and I hang my keys and my wallet here because I don't want to lose them. And then right when you come in on the left is the kitchen, which I really like. So right here we have a closet that was pretty much the only place where the trash made sense. So we have the trash there, some cleaning supplies there, and then all of our spices we put in the shoe organizer for very easy access. This is like a very nice little hack if you have a door in your kitchen. So those are there. Here we have a double sink, which I'm in love with. I love this double sink. And then all, cute little Halloween stuff because it is October. Then we have cabinets, appliances. All of our appliances are pretty new. And then over here we have a window. It's so nice to have a window in the kitchen, let me tell you. Fridge, and then here's my little coffee corner, which I'm about to have some of this left over. This usually goes down here. Oops. Excuse me, thank you. A little coffee nook, which is again all Halloweenified because it is October. Yeah, so this is where all of our stuff lives. I'm not going to show you what's in all my cabinets because that would take forever, but yeah, this is the kitchen. And then so this is open here and there's a bar, so let's go take a trip into the dining room. My cheeks are really red right now and I don't know why. So keep walking, and then we have the dining room. It's so cute. So I love how open concept this is. So this is all open. And then this table is Grace's. I left mine at the old apartment, and then that is also Grace's bookcase that I think fits really nicely in this space and gives it kind of color. Like, what else are you gonna do with that giant wall? And then Mama's cat box is back there. But yeah, that's that. And then there's another little partition here. And then if we go to the right, this is Grace's room here, and then her bathroom, and then this is where the laundry is, which, can we just say thank you? I made a list, I manifested a list of things I wanted in an apartment, and in-unit laundry was one of them. So in-unit laundry, and then also some shelving, which is amazing. And I do actually need to do laundry once I'm done filming this video. So we come into the living room next. Again, another big window onto the balcony. Oh, I'm so excited to show you the balcony. But yeah, so here's the living room right now. We have my big chair, which takes up a lot of space because it is quite wide, but it also is quite comfy. That was Grace's couch from her apartment. My baker's rack just kind of has a little home back there because there's nowhere else to put it. And yeah, Mama's cat tree. That's a little thing that I got her from Target that she loves. Not sure if we're going to be keeping this. I think ideally I would either sell it or put it in storage because there's no real room for it. It did have my TV at the old apartment, but there's kind of a built-in TV space in this one, so that's just kind of been chilling there for now. Mal's little food and waters, and then there is also storage. Like, this whole thing is kind of pretty much storage, and I have some little twinkly lights. And then we'll go out to the balcony. So here's the balcony. It is bigger than my previous balcony, for sure. Wood on the bottom, got my rug, got my beautiful little couch. This is like leftover decoration from my birthday party. But there's also a closet out here, which is amazing. So I can shove all my decorations in this closet, and I don't have to see them every time I, look for something I need. But it's beautiful. We have like tree cover, which is nice. And it's not like super in the sun. Like, it's just really gorgeous. So love the balcony. Step back inside. And then we have my room. So there's another step up here. like a lot of strange steps in this apartment. Obviously, I mean, on my door I have a Halloween wreath. What else would you expect? But if you come into my room, oh come in. Welcome. Bed with my setup, similar to last year. So walk in, bed is here. That's where I have my mirror, where I take all my Instagram outfit snaps. Hello again. Over here we have another window, which I love how much light that this gives my room. And this is where I put my desk, my bookshelf with all my books. And I ended up hanging my guitar and my ukulele on the wall because it saved space. I didn't really have anything for this wall. It also is just easier access to pick them up if I ever want to play them. Here's the closet, which I was very excited about this closet when I first moved in, but once I got all my clothes in it, it's a little claustrophobic. And I think what I'm going to end up doing is probably selling hopefully at least half of what's in there. So probably in like, probably in January, maybe a bit in November. But probably mostly in January and February when it's a little slower and there's more time inside. I want to go through my closet and do a huge closet sale again. So I'll show you what's in there though. It has a light, which is good. This is the closet. So yeah, it's a little smushed. I can't really. So there's, you know, shelves up there. There is built-in shelves here, which I know I'm not using to the best ability yet, but hopefully I will. But yeah, there's just like all of my clothes, and then my coats are shoved back there and it's not the best use of space, but I'm hoping once I can do like a little bit of a clear out, it will be better, because I'm feeling a little suffocated by my possessions. Anyway, here is like my chest drawers, my dresser. I did have this mirror in my old apartment, but I didn't have it up, but it is kind of nice. Something on the wall, and I decorated that a bit, of course. Bedside table, la la la. And then back here, they're cute. This is just my little 4 bookshelf, which I've dedicated to candles and camera equipment. And then here's the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. Hello. I got this really cute sticker. This is from Shrill, that like quote, and I just loved it. It's from, I believe, Garbage Humans is the person that makes them, but very funny. This is not super clean because I just did my hair, but bathroom stuff, and then medicine cabinet there, and then in here's the shower, which is, this is a super small space, which I do worry about because of like accessibility reasons. If anyone really big needs to come sit in here, it's like this is the toilet space, which isn't amazing. And when you turn it on, you like the light and the fan are simultaneous, but I use it fine. I do worry for accessibility for people who are bigger, but you know, you can't, you know, do everything when you're looking for an apartment. But yeah, so that's the bedroom, and that is pretty much the whole apartment. So yeah, I hope you like this little tour. Sorry, the color is changing so much. Hold on, that's better. So I hope you like this little apartment tour. I'm doing so well here. I'm so happy. Things that I love to do and the people that I love are really accessible to me now. And the drive from work is a little bit not amazing, but I am pushing through, and I would say the benefits of living here are worth more than the negatives of living here. Yeah. That was a weird sentence, wasn't it? Oh, I'm just happy here. I'm doing really good, and loving it. So yeah, thanks so much for joining me on like my whole moving journey. I don't know if I'm gonna have any more updates on moving, maybe, not sure, but for the most part, I moved in, I live here now, and I'm really happy. So thanks for supporting me on this journey, and for supporting my vlogs and being patient with me about content. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I think that my content, whatever it is, however often it is posted, I think that it will reflect how happy I'm feeling now. So that is exciting and something to look forward to. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the notification bell so you never miss when I make a new video. One person did say that they know anytime they get a notification, it's either a video from me or Zoella, which Zoella is one of my favorite YouTubers, and I am just like blessed to be considered on the same level as her, so like thank you. But yeah, so ring the notification bell, and you can follow me on my social media, which is on the screen now in the description box below. I am on Instagram most of all. I post on my stories every day, and it is a way I enjoy connecting with y'all, so do that. And you know, thanks for watching, yeah, so I will see you next time. Bye.